Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, there's an update regarding Fantan Mojah, whether he apologized to Mutabaruka or not. All I can say is like, subscribe, comment, share, show that you care. Talking News is here.
Mojah is not a troublemaker. We don't know that. But I want him to come up clear today. Yeah, because this is Sister Cindy Breakspear is a lady where the whole world, the whole Jamaica love. And her son Junior Gang is a brother to me. Never disrespect me yet. But I might say something in the first interview, but I never meant to say Sister Cindy Breakspear because that lady has never done me wrong. So I'm deeply apologize for the argument them when we say. But Muta, come to you now. You know why I'm not going to apologize to you? Because Muta, for years from Fantan Bus 2004 on the radio. I hear you play a lot of artists, which me no bad mind over that. But me never hear you play a Fantan Mojah yet, Muta. Never hear you play a Fantan Mojah. You have never called me for an interview. Never, none at all. That means that you don't like. Simple, you don't like. But me like you same way. Because over the years as a youth, we respect your program, so we listen to you at times. But if I listen to you sometime, yeah, you go mix up. You see what I say? And the mix up where you go, you should have never trouble Fantan. The Fantan don't trouble people. You even make my daughter listen to you on the radio and get traumatized over what you say. And call me our father phone and say, Daddy, what you do to Muta? You don't do Muta nothing, baby. But the kids them are here, you bash me on the radio, Muta. And come on, Muta, me a man, me have feelings like anybody else. We are human being, God. You see what I say? So to all of my fans them one who don't know this, me never trouble Muta. Muta trouble me. But anything I said before, I apologize for even mention Mommy, with mother, she represents the royal food, Sister Cindy Breakspear. Yeah, Junior Gang mother. I apologize for even calling your name, Mommy. Yeah, I'm deeply apologize. Yes, for fans, that I want to know. But Muta, me not apologize to you. I mean, you say you carry me go a court. Go and go carry me go a court. And you first started. And the people in my Jamaica Muta will listen to you. But I don't think that everybody with you, Muta. And don't the music fraternity, which is the artist them, don't think they're all away with your Muta because you mix up. Yeah. But we still rate you because you talk good things and you talk upliftment things, but at times you go mix up. Muta, you could have called me, you know. You could have called Fantan Mojah and do an interview and say, Fantan, what's up with this dancehall video where I see so much girls in this video? You know what I said to you, Muta? Me know in yourself you like girls. And that's why you don't make the speech, and you make a speech, you know, say, why me never go behind closed door and go into a hotel room, nobody know it. Can you say that you could have do if I did you in my position? Did I go closed door in a room, go lock up and do it? No, Muta. I'm a man not dress up nothing, you know. I'm a truthful youth. Yeah. Mouth spoken. Yeah. That's why enough people would have said, Fantan this and him that. No. Me one of the nicest youth in a reggae music, Muta. And I believe in the Almighty. So if you see me sing a song about girls, me still have joy in my heart. Me never change. And me say take nothing at all for you, the king. Me not have nothing, me not have riches. Yeah. You see me real Jamaican fans them never give up for me. Even when them not hear Fantan, them go up on the net and source them we hear one new Fantan track. You see the people out in the world, and them love me Muta, them never give up on me yet. So me don't know how you feel up on the radio and bash me and think I have big kids that got ear and me now go up to my feelings and feel away too. So after me bash your back now, cause you bash me first, you know. After me burn back a fire, me your boss say you go sue me. Yes, Muta, you want to sue me. Yeah. Jamaica people don't hear Muta say he want to sue Fantan because you started first. You see what I say? Now me fling back the fire and now you're Bex. You're Bex, Muta. Listen me. Remember saying a Muta. Them call me Fire Child. I'm a step past fire child now. Me a fire king now. You see what me I say? Me no do nothing wrong in my song. Me no no girls in my song. A kiss in my song. Me no no scene in my song where you see me a out no cigarette or no weed in a no girl mouth and I call them ashtray. No, my video clean and nice. Even the kids can watch it. I be a big people in my video booth. So you should have called me and say, Fantan, what about this video? Yeah, give me an interview then. Even you not play me for the day me boss until now. Give me an interview. You see what me I say? If you respect nobody down at IRFM, you know I come like we are that them put it to the world and other station in Jamaica. Every radio station in Jamaica big up themselves. Big up every disc jockey down at IRFM. Because me know who give me the glory. Muta, you have never give me any glory from the day I bust in music. Me turn up and hear you give it to Luton and Africa to Luton, burn down house and one bag of city. Now we never come talk about these things. We love you because we rate you as an elder. And you name Muta Cutting Edge. We grew up on the same program, God. So me did call me and do an interview, God. I want to go on the radio and bash me, God. And things say, me want to look a puppy there, we are going to just listen and do it. Me a bad liar never answer you, God. Me want to talk the truth, God. So to all of my fans, them, no disrespect. We don't hate Muta. Fantan Moja don't hate Muta. Me just talk the truth with it on my mind. Yes. So to all of my fans, love you know. Music me I deal with. Who if a dancer song they for come? Listen them full of meaning. And them have culture of them too. Jamaica culture, dancehall and reggae. So don't put me in a box like you think say one music we do. We do music to uplift the people, them and music with them dance. So you do. Fantan Moja. Listen me now. One thing I can tell you, it's right now. Crave music. Listen me. Said with the one here. And the viral corner with the pan. DJ Kenny. Say you do.
DJ Dan Kingston.
And DJ Dan Kingston this you know. See him over here, sir. And DJ Kenny the right here, sir. And the viral corner. You see her? Yeah. But to all of my fans, them, I tell you, say, me not hate Muta. Muta come like a we elder same way, we have to respect him. But we respect should give. You give respect and you gain back respect. Me never did trouble you first, and you first trouble me. So if you want to fix this, yeah, we're ready to do the interview on the phone. Yes, we're ready to do it. Yeah.
Alright, you heard it all for yourselves, listeners. All I can say is I tried. Every man a big man. You know, every man have a right to decide him on destiny or whatever. And more love, more life, and respect to the two Hydran them. And I say more music because I'm Daddy Reds. And I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.